Welcome to this People Plus tutorial, Update Process. To update and process your payroll, select Payroll from the left-hand side of the screen and click on Update Process. The screen will refresh, displaying the Update Process Payroll screen. There are multiple functions that can be performed on the screen, such as viewing the current date from and to and pay period, processing and unprocessing the payroll, viewing the payroll period error log, closing the current pay period, rolling over to the next pay period, and viewing previous pay periods. You will also be able to search for specific employees on the payroll, edit and update their values, import values, and publish payslips for employees to view through their self-service profile. Additional functionality includes viewing and editing an employee's payroll settings, the payslip, the employee and the current status, and all payroll values from income, deductions, benefits, company contributions, and all net salaries. To view or edit an employee's payroll settings, click on the employee number. A pop-up will appear displaying the employee's payroll settings. These can be changed by clicking on Edit. The screen will refresh, displaying all relevant fields that can be changed, such as payroll setting through payroll company, rates, cost to company package, additional information, and default and override values. On the Employee Details tab, you will be able to edit the employee tax and statutory details, as well as include an individual payslip message. All medical, pension and provident, and union details can also be captured on the screen. Once all details have been adjusted, click on Update to save them. To edit an employee's payroll values, click on Edit. The screen will refresh, displaying the relevant fields that can be adjusted. All grayed out fields indicate that the employee is processed and cannot be adjusted. A red field indicates that this is a temporary field and will only appear for the current pay period. Once all relevant changes have been made, please click on Update Values. The screen will refresh, saving all changes that have been made. Alternatively, to change values on your payroll, click on Export Import. You will be required to create an import template using the selected drop-down. Click on Create. You will be prompted to save this file on your computer. The file will save in a TXT format. You can open the TXT file using Excel and make all the relevant changes. Once you are happy with your changes, save the file back into a TXT format. To import the file, select the same import type as the template that was created. Browse your computer for the file that you would like to import, and then click on Upload. The payroll will indicate to you all payroll values that have been added and updated. The screen will then refresh, adjusting and indicating all of the relevant changes. To process the payroll, click on Process Payroll. You can process all employees on the payroll or selected employees by clicking on the employee name and clicking Process. The payroll will run through various steps and will indicate these steps so that you can see how far along in the process the payroll is. Once the payroll formulas and calculations have been completed, you will be able to view the payroll period error log. To view it, click on the Payroll Period Error Log button. Once the Payroll Period Error Log is available, click on View Notices, Warnings or Errors. This will indicate all missing information or changes that need to be made, such as missing tax or pay-as-you-earn number, cost centers, annual leave types, and so on. This page can either be printed or closed. Once you have made relevant changes, the payroll can then be closed for the current period. The close period function ensures that the period is locked so that all future adjustments such as leave or new engagements and terminations will not affect the current period values. To close the period, click on Close Period. The system will prompt you to ensure that this is what you would like to do. Click on OK. It will now indicate that the payroll period has been closed. Once the payroll period has been closed, you will be able to run special runs on your payroll. A special run will be used when an employee requires additional income or deductions outside of the normal run. For example, commission, bonus, reimbursed travel, and so on. Once you have completed the special run and closed the special run, you can roll over the payroll into the next pay period by clicking Roll Over. Ensure that this is what you would like to do, as this move cannot be undone. Click on OK to roll over to the next pay period. Once the pay period has been closed, you will be able to generate reports for your payroll. This will be addressed in another tutorial video. Once the payroll has been rolled over, you will be able to view the current pay period on the left-hand side of the block. Thank you for watching this People Plus tutorial.